Hi everyone. Today we talk about one of the most interesting thing in chemistry, which is dry ice. Before we dig into the topic, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nurim Hanis binti Muhammad. I'm from class 20 and I'm a part 1 student. Okay, so what will we learn about dry ice? First, introduction to dry ice. Second, how it is formed. And third, what it is used for. So, without wasting any time anymore, let me introduce you to dry ice. Dry ice is the solid form of a carbon dioxide, or the other's name CO2, a molecule consisting of a single carbon atom bound to two oxygen atoms. Dry ice is colorless, odorless, and non-flammable, and can lower the pH of a solution when dissolved in water, forming carbonic acid. It is commonly used for temporary refrigeration, as CO2 does not have liquid state at a normal atmospheric pressure and sublimate directly from the solid state to the gas state. Dry ice also primarily used as cooling agent and also used in Fox machine at the theatre for dramatic effects. Now we move on to the next section. How is dry ice formed? Dry ice is made by liquefying carbon dioxide and injecting it into a holding tank, where it's frozen at a temperature of -109 Fahrenheit and compressed into solid ice. Depending on whether it's created in a pelletizer or a block press, dry ice can then be made into pellets or large blocks. In the simple way, we can say that the dry ice, the carbon dioxide is injected into a holding tank, then it will be a solid ice. Then after it be a solid ice, it will be created as a pellets or large block. Unlike regular ice, dry ice doesn't melt into a liquid as it warms up. Instead, it converts directly back into gaseous form in a process known as sublimation. Now we move on to the last part. What is dry ice used for? As you can see on my slide, I state 4 uses of dry ice. The first one, dry ice is used for freezing at ultra low temperature or fish drying without using water to preserve food, extending its shelf life. As example, you can freeze meat, fish, and many more to extend its shelf life. Second one, dry ice can also be used for keeping foodstuff cool, such as on aircraft where refrigeration systems are not available. The third one, photography, film, and theatre all make use of dry ice for special effects. The sublimation creates excellent visual effects. Fog and smoke machine can also be used at parties or to create a spooky atmosphere, especially on Halloween. And the last one, in recent years, dry ice has also been used in restaurants and bars to give more theatrical presentation of food and drinks. This make customer feels like the food is more delicious and it make them impressed. Finally, we have reached the end of my slideshow. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to tell, and I hope you gain more knowledge through my presentation. I hope you guys have a great day, and that's all from me. Bye and Assalamualaikum.